I delight myself in you, captivated by...
Alright guys, so it is a week later. The last part of this video I took when I planted these seeds was on September 24th, and today is October 1st. So yeah, these are, like I said in the last part of my video, is the romaine. These are just coming up, and I have a lot of romaine lettuce. The germination, these are older seeds, so the germination, it doesn't seem as good, but it seems like I'll get plenty that I'm going to need for my towers. But these are all from my Baker Creek seeds. And as you can see, the germination on these is really good. You know what I'm noticing with this is that this area here in this aquaponic bed, because remember, this is nutrient-rich water that has all the iron and everything the plants need. But I'm noticing this is a lower point in my bed here. And so the water, I mean, it's just a lot more water there. Do I have anything germinating in there? Yeah, see, I don't have anything growing in that one. But the ones that are higher up, see, I mean, these balls are a little bit dry. Those seem to be germinating a lot better. So what I think is going on with the germination on these is I think maybe this is too deep. Because the grow bed, it's not completely flat. It's kind of little wavy, okay? So I think that's what's going on here, but I'm going to wait a few more days. All right, so as you can see, I moved the trays because the water was too deep in certain parts. But this is my romaine lettuce. The last part of this video was October 1st, and it is now October 11th, and this is my romaine. See, some of them didn't pop up. I probably should put more seeds in these. That one is not a lettuce, that's a weed. But this is my romaine here. See, we didn't get germination on these. And then this is my butter crunch. Two didn't sprout yet. They might still though. I have less butter crunch, so, but I'm gonna have to move them out of this bed because I'm now planting in my garlic bags. I'll be leaving these, but I'm probably gonna move all the brown bags possibly over to that grow bed. So, but anyway, be on the lookout for my garlic videos as well. We're gonna be growing a bunch of different kinds. I don't know the names of all of them, or I don't have all the information on all of them, but anyway, yeah, lettuce is coming along. Gonna be putting them in my zip grow towers. That's the idea anyway. I might change my mind, but we'll see. Alright you guys, it is now October 11th, and this is my romaine. I had to move it to another bed because I basically have all these grow bags now inside these flood and drain beds. So, but this is all my romaine lettuce here, okay? And it is pretty much ready to go inside the towers now, and I think I have enough for the towers. And then over here to my butter crunch, okay? Pretty good size on them. Ah, yeah, see that thing, see? Yeah. Anyway, that's butter crunch, okay? So I think I'm pretty much ready to go. So I want to put these in my towers. So I already took my towers down, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I put them in my zip grow towers.